Welcome to TipRanks Premium. I'm about to show you guys all the new features that you unlocked so you can get the most out of your membership. All right, so this is the home page of TipRanks, and I want to show you, let's say you go and search up any stock. Let's say we pick Apple over here. As a free member, you all recognize this page. You will see all the analysts. Now, as a free member, the most recent ones will be blocked. And now, as a premium member, you now unlock the top analysts. Now, when you scroll down, you will only see the top, 4 and 5 star analysts. You'll see the most recent articles, everything that's going on, up to date, everything that's going on. Now, if you go ahead and you click on any of these analysts, you'll see the overview of their average return, their success rate. And what's important about this, if let's say you like one of these returns, let's go with Catherine over here. She has a success rate of 62%, average return of 13.6%. Let's go ahead and click on her profile. Now over here, you will now see everything that she's covering. And you can even click on, for example, on Apple, she's rated it 211 times. You can see her success rate on that given stock and her average return. Now, why is this important? If you like what you're seeing over here, you can go ahead and follow her. And when you follow her, you will get notifications up here on every single thing she's doing. Now, that brings me to my favorite tool, the Top Experts, the Expert Center, where you can go ahead and you can see the top Wall Street analysts, financial bloggers, corporate insiders, hedge fund managers, and individual investors. Now, as I just showed you before, the entire profile of Catherine, the same thing you can see just now on the top performing Wall Street analysts. See, there's 36,000 people following Glenn Green. Now, as a free member, you can only follow one person at a time. As a premium member, you can follow up to 5 people. And it's important to note, you can follow Wall Street analysts, financial bloggers, and as I mentioned, even individual investors. Now, as an ultimate member, you can now follow an unlimited amount of people and just generate investment ideas and updates all day long through various different formats, from hedge fund managers on what they're doing to individual investors. Now, what is individual investors? There are 570,000 people who have synced their trading accounts through their brokerages with TipRanks and made it public for me and you to see. Now, what that means, over here, Mind Matters, he's got a Robinhood account. He has a success rate of 66%, and his average return is 17%. So let's say has a better return rate than you do on your profile. You can click on him, and you can see every single thing that they have in their portfolio. Second, just waiting for it to load. Now over here, if you go to portfolio details, you'll see their biggest trade, their best trade, what they're holding in their portfolio, and you can scroll down and see every single stock they're holding, how much they've gained, how much they've lost. And in the recent activity, this is the updates you would get if you were to follow them. If you were to follow them every single time they would open or close a position, you will get those notifications. Now, another thing you get as a premium member, let's start under the top stocks. We have Smart Score stocks. Now, over here, this is completely unique to TipRanks. You will now see a whole list over here that was recently blocked if you were a free member and now unlocked as a premium member. This is unique to TipRanks. It measures stocks based on 8 key factors, including how the best performing analysts are rating the stocks, whether hedge funds are buying it, what corporate insiders are doing, and a bunch of other key factors. Now, since 2016, the S&P 500 has returned 133%. In the same time frame, the top Smart Score stocks picked out by TipRanks has outperformed almost 70%, bringing in a whopping 211%. And you now get access to this as a premium member. Another amazing tool you now unlock as a premium member is Analyst Top Stocks. Now over here, this would have been blocked to you. Same idea, it's a list of generation ideas that would have been blocked as a free member, and now you have access to it as a premium member. Now what this does is it's an aggregation of all the top stocks based on the best performing analysts, And you can go ahead, you can filter just a strong buy. You can choose your market cap, let's say financial and tech. And now I have a list of 17 of the best rated stocks by all analysts in these two categories out of large cap stocks. And you can see the rating reason. You can click on it, it'll bring you to the article, and it's just more intuitive. Now, another thing you unlock is trending stocks. Now, trending stocks, why is it important? As a free member, you would have had access to this, but only seeing what's trending in the last 30 days. As a good investor, you need to know what's going on all the time in recent live time. So now you will see what's trending in the last 72 hours, where you will get a list of the most trending, the hottest stocks on the market. Now, something you unlock if you want to take your trading to the next level with an ultimate plan, you will get access to insiders' hot stocks. This is extremely important if you want to take your trading to the next level, where you can see a couple of different strategies. One of my favorites is the C-level strategy, which is a trend of buy or sell transactions by C-level officers only. That's the CEO, CFO, CTO. Now, they obviously know a lot more about a company than you do because they're inside of it. They know before the news comes out what's going on. So I have it filtered to over here, and I'll see 21 stocks found. And these are probably a lot of companies that you've probably never heard of. And if you scroll over to the side, you can see what's going on, and you can see who's buying and how much they're buying. So over here, you see that there was $333,000 worth of shares bought in the last 3 days. Now, you might think that there could be an opportunity there, that they know something that's going on before the news comes out. You see it's been going down lately, and now they're buying. So that could be a good indication that something positive is around the corner. And that's something you only get as an ultimate member on TipRanks. Now, after mentioning all these tools, I wanted to show one of the most important features that TipRanks offers, and that's the Smart Portfolio. So let me go ahead and come to the home page of it. This is the overview. This is a fake account that I made just to show you guys. So basically, it'll show you straight away. You could sync your actual portfolios that you have, whether it's through TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, or whatever brokerage you use. And you'll see your total holdings. You'll see your daily return, your monthly gain, your total gain. You'll see your daily gainers. You'll see your daily losers. Nice, easy to see format. And you'll see the market overview of what's going on with the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, gold if you want. You can filter it to if you want to see just 1 month, if you want to see 5 days, just to get an overview of what's going on. You'll then see your portfolio versus the S&P 500, and you'll see news only related to your portfolio, which you can filter through bullish and bearish news. Or if you just want to see all portfolio news, you'll see all the upcoming events, when dividends are happening, when earnings are coming out. And if you go ahead to the My Holdings page, this is the basic view of what you'll see. You'll see typical things that you would see when you're looking up a stock. You'll see, analyst price target. But when you click detailed, here's where things get interesting, and you can customize it and get all those tools that I was just showing you, what's going on with insiders, hedge funds. Now, some of these metrics are only available to premium members. You would not have access to see what the best analysts are saying, what the best price target is, what insider signal, hedge fund, bloggers. You only unlock that as a premium member. So as a premium member, you can see all the important metrics in a very detailed and easy to understand way. Instead of having to dig through and find out what's going on, again, you can see all the alerts, anything that's going on related to that specific stock as well. Now, when you go to your portfolio analysis, that's when you'll see your asset allocation, you'll see your volatility, you'll see your stock distribution by sector, and you can see how you compare to other people, crowd insights, what the TipRanks average portfolio is, and it basically makes it competitive. And you can go ahead and make your portfolio public so other people can follow you as well. Now, another way to generate amazing ideas as a TipRanks premium member is under research tools. If you go to stock screener, many stock screeners on the market, they have all these technical different things on, basically related on technicals and averages and moving averages, and it can be a little complicated. TipRanks likes to simplify everything. Now, as a free member, not all of this is unlocked. You would not have Smart Score unlocked. You would not have top analyst price target or hedge fund signal or insider signal. As a premium member, everything gets unlocked. So if I want to see only, good Smart Score rated stocks and, only upside of 20% or more, best analyst consensus of a strong buy, and I want to see that hedge funds are buying them as well. And let's say I want to see just large cap and I want to see only financial and technology. I now narrow down to 22 stocks that should outperform the market based on a bunch of different metrics. You'll see the articles on why people think that there's that whole overall consensus, and this will save you an immense amount of time and find tremendous value. Now, last but not least, I wanted to show you another benefit of an Ultimate member is you get access to this new tool, fastest growing websites. Everything today is digital. Everything's going online, and you want to be able to see what's going on with companies. Over here, I filtered to e-commerce, fashion, and financial services, and with monthly visitors of 500,000 to 5 million. And you can see the monthly changes, the percentages. This company, I never heard of them, but their monthly change, they have 39% more traffic to their website. That shows you that this company is growing. They're going to have more sales, and you can come to your own conclusions. But generally, when there's that much growth, the stock price also goes up. And I hope you guys enjoy the premium account. And now you know what you can get with Ultimate as well. Enjoy.